Okay, rule number one about this. The reason we like fifth relationships is because if you're trying to establish a key, the best way to do it is with a descending fifth. It's the strongest relationship we have in music. So, of between two chords, descending fifth. It'll always emphasize tonic. Not ascending fifth. Ascending fifth just doesn't work nearly as well. But ascending fourth does. Let me explain why. So let's look at, again, a descending fifth, okay? Okay, so here's our descending fifth. That's always going to emphasize tonic or the second chord. A relationship of a fifth is always going to emphasize the second chord. If I did it the other way, it does not have the same power. It's still good, but it's not nearly as strong as a descending fifth. This feels like 5-1 and it's the end. Or it's somehow establishing this as 1. This doesn't feel that way, that strong. But if we did 1-4, now I've just made this chord all weird. Let's just get rid of that chord. One four ascending, going up, can be a strong progression. Not as strong as the descending fifth, but ascending fourth is pretty darn close. And the reason is that it's just a descending fifth inverted. Because check it out. This is 5-1, right? And this, if F was 1, this is 5-1 also. 5-1 in F would be C, G, would be 5-1. So we've just inverted it. 5-1, right? So it's not as good as the descending fifth, but the ascending fourth is just almost as good. It's like a hair less good in terms of establishing that second chord as tonic. So remember, the ascending fifth is not the one you want. You want the ascending fourth because that's the inversion of the descending fifth. Okay? Now, for the most part, as we go through all of this stuff on descending fifths, you can kind of interchange ascending fourths and think that's going to be pretty good, but not as great as the descending fifth. But you can do all these chord progressions as ascending fourths if you want. I'm going to focus on descending fifths, though, because it's a little bit stronger. Okay, so let's go in and start talking about this kind of staircase idea.